Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Flodesk email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an image or a photo into your Flodesk email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an image into your Flodesk email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you have to mix up the email for your subscribers. Sometimes it's text, sometimes it's video, sometimes it's going to be pictures. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an image into one of your emails, go ahead and just click on the email you want to use. So for example, this one, right? Once you do that, it's going to open up the email editor, and all you're going to do is just scroll down to the section that you want to add a photo into. So for example, underneath this timer, you want the image to show up underneath the timer. You're going to click on the plus icon below it. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu pop up, and you want to click on this button here called image. Okay, automatically it adds in this placeholder right here. So we're going to click into the placeholder. Once you click into it, you're going to see this editor pop up here on the right, and you're just going to work from left to right. So for example, here we're going to go ahead and upload our image. Okay, I grabbed an image from my desktop and it's uploading, and immediately the image shows up here in my Flodesk email. Now you can go ahead and adjust the picture if you want. So you can see that it's kind of shrinking it down. We can stretch it out. Also here, you can change the link. So that way when somebody clicks on the image that you put into your email, it can redirect them, or you can have them download a file. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an image or a picture into your Flodesk email, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.